Stop saying you don't have time when you've been sitting here scrolling for the last 30 minutes. 30 minutes of meal prep can save you extra time during the week. Let's go. Honey garlic chicken. You want to get 2 to 3 pounds of chicken thighs. Make sure they're cubed. Get some salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, thyme, and then of course add some oil and mix it up. Once you've gotten to this level, go ahead and cover it back up.
Get some soy sauce, lemon juice, honey, garlic, and chili paste. I offer one-on-one coaching as well as standalone meal plans. DM me ready if you want my help in losing 15 to 30 pounds.